Hank, let's meet at the Caro ship. I have something to tell you.
Who are you? Why do you know me? What do you need from me?
This is proof of Dokirok's crime.
I won't let Sam die in vain. Thank you. I have something I want to give you. It contains all of Doki's crimes.
Stand still. Put your hands on your head. You have been arrested.
Catch them all. Your end has come, Doki.
Who does he think he is that's so wild? Tinsy knows what to do. You think you can dethrone me, boy? I am Dokirok, the boss of this city. Lord K, I will return.
Doki has been captured. What is the next step?
Now, the game officially begins.